Hello, and welcome to the ACX Active Care bed in-service video. Today, we will demonstrate setup and proper use of this therapeutic bed frame. The ACX bed is designed to minimize the risk of patient falls with its low height capabilities. It is available with an optional integrated scale that enhances caregiver efficiency and safe patient weight monitoring. The simple, tool-free system allows caregivers to change the width and length of the bed frame for easy transportation, and the bed's safe working load of 600 pounds accommodates for a wide variety of patient sizes. The bed frame has an integrated nurse call and bed exit alarm that, when used with a fall mat and Joerns support surface, further reduces the chances of patient injuries, saving facilities money and improving the standard of care. Roll the bed into the room, leaving approximately 12 inches from the wall. The casters are free to swivel for bed movement by adjusting the pedal to the horizontal flat position. Lock the casters by pressing the pedal to the lowest. Apply the steer caster by raising the pedal highest position. Note: when the bed is unattended or patient is exiting or transferring from the bed, fully lock the casters with the pedal in the down position. Plug in the bed and the power outlet for any needed accessories, such as air therapy surface. Adjust the width by pressing the pull tabs on each deck section and slide out the extensions. The bed adjusts from 36 to 42 to 48 inches wide. Raise slightly for foot section of the bed by pressing the knee button on the foot panel control. Adjust the length by pressing the handle below the foot panel and pull to 4 or 8 inch extension. Standing to the left side of the bed, pull the black knob located in the center of the sleep deck and pull the sleep deck to 4 or 8 inch extension. Lower the knee section using the foot panel controls. Place the appropriately sized foam or air surface on the bed. If using an air therapy surface, place the control unit on the integrated pump holder and plug into the accessory outlet at the foot end of the bed. Adjust the side assist devices by pulling up on the green hang and lowering the side assist for easy access to the patient. Pull up on the side assist to the locked position for repositioning and use. The staff control panel is located on the outside of the foot end of the bed. These controls let the staff lock out any single, combination, or all the bed functions. Press the head up and down buttons to raise and lower the head of the bed. Press the foot up and down buttons to raise and lower the knee portion of the bed. Press the bed up and down buttons to raise and lower the height of the bed. Press the comfort chair one-touch button to move the bed into the comfort chair position. Press the auto contour one-touch button to raise the head and foot section at the same time. Press the auto transfer height one-touch button to return the bed into the supine position and a comfortable transfer height of 12 inches, 18 inches with a standard mattress. Press and hold the lockout button to enable or disable the function. An indicator light will illuminate, indicating lockout status of each function. The electric CPR feature overrides all lockouts and returns the bed to the supine position. An under-bed light is available on the premium version, controlled with the on-off button. When the bed exit alarm activates, the under-bed light will automatically turn on for extra visibility. In case of power failure, a backup battery will sustain power for articulation of the bed. The functions on the in-rail staff control operate the same as the foot end staff control. The lockout active light indicates that a staff control lockout feature is active. The in-rail staff control can override the staff control for convenience. The head of the bed angle indicator provides a convenient positioning tool for adjust patient comfort according to care plan. The functions on the in-rail patient control operate the same as the staff control with patient-specific comfort adjust features. The lockout notification will double blink if a function is locked out to avoid anxiety in the patient. The patient control cannot override the staff control. The nurse call button on the patient control allows the patient to call the nurse's station when the bed is connected to a nurse call system. The functions on the 5-function hand pendant operate the same as the staff control with the patient-specific comfort adjust features. The lockout active light indicates that a staff control lockout feature is active. The hand pendant cannot override the staff control. Before placing the patient on the bed, press and hold the 0 button. When the message changes to begin the countdown, release the 0 button and do not touch the bed. In a few seconds, weight equals 0.0 pounds will display, and the patient may now be placed on the bed. Verify that the linens and pillows are in place before zeroing the bed so that they will not appear as part of the patient's weight. Once the patient is on the bed, press any button to wake up the display. After a few seconds, the patient's weight will display. An alarm can be set that alerts the caregivers when the patient's weight is displaced or when the patient exits the bed. If the facility has a nurse call system, plug in the adapter cable between the junction box and the patient station. To engage the bed exit alarm, press select the zone sensitivity using the Reset Set button to enable the alarm. Zone 1 is most sensitive for patients turning or sitting up in bed. An LED light will illuminate Zone 1. Press the Reset Set button again for Zone 2 for patients moving to the side of the bed. Press the Reset Set button again for Zone 3 for patients leaving the bed. When a patient moves in the bed, an audible alarm will sound, and if the bed exit alarm is connected to the patient station, an alarm will sound at the nurse's station. To disable the bed exit alarm, press the Reset Set button to turn off the audible alarm and the LED light. To adjust the volume of the alarm, press the bell button to select the volume shown by the LED light. To mute the bed exit alarm, press the mute button to mute the audible alarm shown by the red LED light. The alarm is still active until the Reset Set button is pressed. To use the manual Cpr release, locate the red handle at each side of the bed. Hold Cpr release handle with hands clear of the head section of the bed. The head section will quickly lower to make access to the patient available for emergency response. The head of bed angle indicator will need to be reset following a manual Cpr release. Press and hold the head of bed down button on the staff controls to reset the angle indicator to 0. Universal precautions are recommended for any cleaning procedures with this therapy system. You may wipe down the frame with soap and water. Consult the user manual or contact Joerns for additional details and instructions.